Oh no, did I get too close? Oh, did I almost see us really on the inside? All your insecurities or dirty laundry never made me blink one time. Unconditional, unconditionally, I will love you unconditionally. Yeah. There is no fear now. Let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally.